binim pesa me ma penso be kumani ma se na se ndame nsa benkum so a na nko hu bari ma ankonsa pia na na aba ne betima ko ka kire no me makunipa amama kodam amadoma ko apelo ya ma
na enti me very sure say moya we say eba news ri mo say na Dormaahene Osi ade adwuma the second they declared wanted by Kumasi High Court. What I said in your fan and some can be as a media as what they can available still on the internet. Abet me agogo kra enye bi eti. They declared wanted. Ohonya say oba and small can ye omra mechire mu eye no kwese ono na kan that in some way called the video no ono na kan ye e den e just into the kan that tumi be na owa ogina so e kasa say said the assembly SCN no enra ana Kumasi High Court etna assembly so for sure na Dormaahene ama Mama say, na Dormaahene ama say e kan be say was say na sem no kra. Ama say de munchire mu eba ne de. Dormaahene wan hwe ya obetimi akọ efiase. In this video let me boss ati mu. E de kwani see ya de declare Dormaahene wanted. E de kwa na ba ya Kumasi High Court. E board Dormaahene wanted as na omu ehia no. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say ne di mu. Obe like video no that one subscribe button na ba ka notification icon update. Na ba kire wa adwon de ama me e wo comment section so baso. Let's see for any be ashe. Obekaya eba ni so tun focus say Sampa kra no. Ohene owo Sampa no obepede na hene enimu. E da bedru paramountcy. Enti obe elevate Sampahene edru Sampahene. Adu eba ye na Dormaahene ga say there be not under his watch. Nanim onu nanim as na Osi ade adwuma the second Bono president they said president of no regional house of chief enye under his watch eno otu which matra ni Kumasi krom no be Penyah wo be ma Sampahene so as Sampahene o ntimi mo Mahene e wo Bono memu e wo tun ka say na obebo do oye be ma no no oye be ma so obebo Mahene no e wo ho Mahene na no say at the end of the day no otumfo elevate nana Sangbajamfla the second, otu velvetin na hinye ebedu paramountcy. Emma me go through the corridors of gossip plano. Me ti say de na ama Dormaahene ni abri nyina na o se ompene Emma ye mo nana Jamfra the second. Ye mo no Mahene nyina na say ye ba suku a Sampahene wo ko school si ne Dormaahene okra qualification ni set okra no emodu ni emodu say de Dormaahene ekra eni so Dormaahene ti ase em ye bo ne Mahene na say abe se duru say ye go to regional house of chiefs eso aba e wo Bono region honoma Sampahene so betimi abe compete with Dormaahene when I say that Sampahene no wako school the qualification eso say Dormaahene de etibasa de a ebetimi abi in the favor of ono Sampahene we tell Dormaahene any abrese na say dia on tiase e ma ye mo Sampa no ye mo na Mahene on tiase ora say ba say tie no otumfo gyan tumi so e bo Sampahene e ma say that say Dormaahene kasa bebrebe ka so oh ono Sampahene no o ma ye mo na say even assembly equal court cry equal high court cry na high court e rule nia omudi beba no ono Dormaahene obebuso e mo say we ka say na say adiwe omo anhwe ya ono Dormaahene obeku nipa Amadomafo kra fa lawyers e di ama no
ye ba ko pa Dormaafo no be wo e ba sanse na de bibi free sro abet ka Dormaahene on the Mahene na bohye na on the Mahene akobohye na makom e de tapo na on the safi hene abohye hene bia no bia ni wo Asante region e to bronga hapo na hene bia ni wo Dormaahene ye hene kese Dormaahene ye hene kese ade bia ni wa Dormaahene obaka so ba ya ontimi nyo owo nipa o asase na namba je wada Roma asase no ba da na wada Roma asase no binim pesa me ma penso be kumani ma se na se ndamensa benkum nswa na nko hu bari ma ankonsa pia nana eba ne betima ko ka kire no me kunipa amama kodem amadoma fu apelo ya na
obekunipa ko akodem is a okasai na efa ne nsem kon kan say even assembly ko as a high court na high court e ruling over issue na obeguso high court e judgment obebon obeguso kra no emu enema e ne Sampahene no na Jamfra the second e go people come as a high court and on oko file contempt case against Dormaahene oko sue Dormaahene with an issue of what contempt. You can contempt means being disobedient towards a court or speaking to undermine a court. Say wo kasa a book court enimtia. Gentia Dormaahene a book court enimtia say Dormaahene kasa or see even say high court cry a ruling over this. Now high court in the judgment eba maybe Dormaahene metu high court judgment no say also seen high court. Dormaahene tell say also seen high court bi a wa Ghana ha also seen high court it high court cry etna sem so on Dormaahene obejan to me so abu on this issue no and the Sampahene agents file contempt against Dormaahene come say high court and one say media say by say Dormaahene is being wanted. He's declared wanted on the internet.
Ajimai Bedu. Kumasi High Court show. Kumasi High Court show. Enra eba doma eba hwe be moton sam uni ho. Yekọ wampem uni ho. Yekọ be moto dam no uni ho. Sumadi kunsu wo hu. Ajimai Bedu bebia wo bia no court hwehwew. Court hwehwew. So that one no den muni pe bia wasase we so na ado ani abo ho Sampahene me de men kan nti akoto hwehwew o ye judge wan so adi nsem hunu nti na akoto hwehwew yes I you post as ye wanted bia ya na be ba tam wafu bia o hye bia Ajimai Bedu bra na court hwehwew so that one no den bra e bia hye bia bra Ajimai Bedu bra yo
na enra anane Kumasi High Court etna Dormaahene asem so contempt case na file against Dormaahene enra ana High Court etna asem Kumasi na Dormaahene ankasa anko ono na case na file wanko otubofo esebofo enko jina na nem na enemu ana High Court na Dormaahene pa oba kire se be ye nkurama na naso de ye nkurama no anase de judge mo ameti adwam bra wabu High Court enimtia bra be kire nsem be kika wo service nsem so wo ma wo tu nipa se ne na nkasa David Dormaahene ya jamko ene ne emi ka sei ne nipa abofo Dormaahene tu so mezi no manam no o ma pam bofo so mu hia no o mu hia Dormaahene nkasa o mu ehia Dormaahene nkasa ne bofo o mu hia Dormaahene nkasa na yanko te se de entremu no enipa na o court o sidi mai na ntiremu no tiremu se Dormaahene ahwe ya obetimi akoda afias amana e possible
on the 16th nearby and then court no at MIS on the 3rd of July, today the 10th of July, we come back to the court. And we're sharing anything about court. Here about court. I'm saying the trial judge, Munyam for no tea Punyamuno, a branch here now, Obejan, Dormaahene. I'm saying, only in the year, or catching and me catch the last time you came. I told you, share, catching a criminal matter. Come back to the court with the same person, the Dormaahene and one. But the main reason why I said, and I can match out to Asemna Shedani say, Tadio Sorry. I think if you know Tadio Sorry, he's one of the renowned lawyers in this country. Only lawyer, man, a friend, petitioners. And once the Chief Justice, our crewman, a man for BC, or Diana Munsembi into Mompamno. This uncle for now, Mompamno, Tadio Sorry, and no lawyer. And I think within this week, and he's engaged in response to that petitioner, or more trial the Chief Justice. And he may be in that process, and for that matter, he cannot avail himself to me by him. And on that ground, that reason, fairly effort. Actually, back court to no say ampa. He cannot come today, and for that matter, or share court no say ampa. Omon sonasina, omon joining the matter. So the matter will come on either on Wednesday or Friday, right? Friday, until 18th of July. It is the 18th of July. That is where the matter will come. The reason why Omayi has sent me said, and now Ajimai Bedu, the lawyer, Tadio Sorry. All right, and the actual letter, Abre Court, and they said he cannot come because he's a petitioner from Crofona, Sebi, the Chief Justice. So he cannot come. So you have to put this in perspective and you have to tell the Ghanaian people that is the story.
Musa, Omame, Ujidis Asamno, said your Musi fan in terms of Abebwa.
Well, Sebi, once a year, as Santima when I'm Namandia, Sebi, a bar and Semnia Mamra, and Wofie, with that speed we can do it. But her Ghana, and it's a constitutional matter. And so once the person is natural letter, and indeed saying, I'm passing, I'm sorry. And then the lawyer for the petitioners, I'm to the Chief Justice. And they want to be Madia. Judge, you know, and it was the 18th. We'll come back. And then, the matter will be tried. The matter will be tried. And once the matter will be tried, contempt in the channel. The lawyer for the petitioners, I'll move the Chief Justice if you want to. Sorry believe in the law. Sorry say the law is the law. If the law is the law, and then today the Chief Justice is being tried, clearly Dormaahene can also be tried. If it's a high court judge, he can equally be tried. So the law is the law, and he'll be tried. Whether sorry or whether no sorry, he'll be tried, and the contempt will be executed. But you know,
you be getting Kitibia a fire soon. Say, Nipa obesi, Najma Beduana Dormaahene, people obesi and I know, court to club. I didn't see it.
Well, clearly, before the court, Omar filed 2 motions. We have filed 2 motions on the 18th. Shadana, Sebi, Bompire said, try judge, no who be amabo, who Ghana for Yamabo. Now, Sebi, so 2 motions now, both parties are now filing. No, the matter will be here because they want to delay the matter and they want to disrupt constitutional process. What I say, and for that matter, we pray that those motions on that day will be here. You're here, the man will be tried. I'm saying he'll be tried. Only to me be Okumanum. What I say, he has no authority. But meanwhile, he keep on misleading the young ones in this country. Who are you? You have nobody. But of course, because of constitutional provision, and all of us are resolved, Sampa, the very respect here, the any day by my home, you will be home. Mean to me, in fact, mean to me, mommy nearby, and you should empower me. I can't slap you and leave you because there's law. There must be that reasoning. And so we must respect each other at all times. And that is why I say court can't someone, you should accept it. Court can't say one penny. Today, that's what I'm saying. Tadio sorry believe. Or believe we say petitioners no more that the Chief Justice should be removed a law. And today the contempt that Dormaahene, I know Tadio sorry believe is a law. A learned person, fine brain, and he know. And Tibetano, whether Tadio sorry or no Tadio sorry, one of the biggest lawyers in this country, I'll become no 2 ways. Look at Tadio sorry believe that the law is the law.
The enemy Busani say, yet Tibisa, Nipa obesi Najma Beduana, Court Bufu said. He want Dormaahene to be here in person. We are the banter, Asemna Yohano, Ghana and Ono. What I say? Inti, and yet matter, Obitimakasha and Pobi Major name, and just civil matter, a criminal matter. So what I say, once a criminal matter and then you have been cited, it's all Bahabi. Until you don't sit at the your own tower pato and then try to behave that you are authority. You don't have authority, and you're on throne hoodie. Once over the weekend recently, or can be say Ampa, say a good day be or no Nasa or the man or being to Mote. So a good day, or Nasa say Omobintu. Why do you want to lie? Because you lie, because you are lying in the sense that look, at the end of the day, the constitution of this country has made it clear. A good day be a was as to be a Oklahoma be a bindia. Now, Sebi, Asantehene and Kaya Jimiana, Nanko Boasi gold mine, Babyani, what I say, Nankana, Yenisa gold mine in entry. But I'm saying a good day be a was as to be a bindia. Nemum, say a bindia. If the government is using that resource, it might use the resource in our benefit. But don't try to patum ending trojana. A good day and coming mid on my assassin and coming Pinomuntu. But meanwhile, when you read the Constitution, 257 clause 5, it says a good day be a bindia. But why do you sit there? Now I say Umabunu Kutupaze, Nanka Dormaahene and company will be into. But meanwhile, you don't have authority. Yeah. Money as if him or a lawyer, he knows all these provisions of the Constitution, and he keep on throwing dust in the eyes of the ordinary Ghanaian. And yet, at time. Onyai. You have contempt now, you share Nana Gazette in one system. So far, I say, did you ever go to be as I said, you can't contempt to answer me. You jai Gazette in one system.
The reason why I said, I think when the friends the registrar came to the court, almost say the document I submitted at the original House of Chief, they have to go into a meeting and then decide whether somebody ban no more. We are telling the Ghanaian people that Dormaahene is a diabolical character and he's a liar and he's a dubious, and it's sorry to say he doesn't deserve to be where he is. Do you know why? Because you're a lawyer, and the Chieftaincy Act clearly tells you
What is your role in respect of Chief Chancery Institution or in your role as the president of the Boone Regional House of Chief? What do you have to do? Documents now, but documents no. Me mami. So mami do birth set ebreme. Say you. Sebi na poku. Me ba na poku. Me why I register of birth. Me ti was me ubana no. It's not my duty. Said my duty is your father, between your father and your mother, to decide who is the DNA test. So it's the duty of the Sampa Traditional Council to bring documents of your Sampahene. Once on the bar, you the regional house of chief, you have no authority. You have no authority. All right. So once you have no authority, you don't come and tell the Ghanaian people say now what the intro say you got transfer. I got here. Why you forward it?
What's my name, sir? Document, you know,
yeah.
Traditional Council, no, and also provided the call national, and as a regional, and also provided the call national. But
Daroma, shall be a processes. Shall be you free the Sampa Traditional Council, now process it, and this is the Sampa Traditional Council. The acting president, our Nanakojo Masa, was the one who was signing here. To signing here, I him for almost the kingmakers, Omunya Sani, to Musani, and they forwarded the document to the regional House of Chief. And once I do the regional house of chief, what you have to do is to forward the document to the national house of chief. Sana humanity, only if you can be. But meanwhile, you are telling people in this country as if you have authority to decide on that document. You don't have the authority. You want to tell the people of this country, say, and then okay, only our authority, no, or what, in Tron Wood, in Futu no good, and I need to be a friend of Bono. There's nothing like Bono. There's nothing like Bono. We keep on saying the 1959 bill of the Boone Ahafo region. I have what in home, and the Boone was at in home. Clearly, Ahafo region. I have what in home, and the Boone was at in home. Clearly, Sabi Obi, I have friend in Tanoso, and Obi was Sampa, Sequa, and in Chesa Sabi, on to me, and Mesum, and out to me and Asantehene. So I say, and the Yase, Ubenya, I Dormaahene, a learned person, Dormaahene, Dormaahene, a learned person, and then another Dormaahene keep on misleading you in the house. Sabi, any demo or keep on misleading you.
Now, my name is yet it is Dormaahene, na Dormaahene as man say, or said that maybe say, young gazette, Sampahene, and also,
you say him, Sampahene toy, Sabi, or buy him a toy, and see him. And is what to say, Sabi, be your him, and I am fun to be now. Sabi, let's talk about the relevant here. The relevance is the fact that there's no Obahima in Sampa, but he said he's a learned person. Dormaahene. It is obvious said Nana your Sampahene. He should bring the document. On which say this is a partner and I'm a president. And me a president. I've come to meet in the archive. Say we near Sampa then Obahima. This is a document. Now they are better Ghana for no more. But you cannot provide any document. But you sit down there, a learned person, a lawyer, a high court judge. You say now you're Obahima or Sampa. You are misleading the people. It's enough. It's high time that he desists from that indiscipline with the greatest respect.
I'm also doing my name is baby. I drew no. Me, I'm from National Street. Now, yes, I say, I have
yeah. Na yemre wanse emamra. And there Sebi Ukase o pro one yard and yefe. Asantehene have shown all time and again that Asantehene will show respect and Asantehene will follow due process. Once we follow due process and to let some Majafla be gazetted, not gazetted to let some Majafla, it therefore become a precedent. Precedent ni say Asida. Enti asida no to let some Majafla say no come enti ebema be abema na be asuade ehun amanyina, and that is what embody Asantehene and nema Asantehene. And so whether say echo and tell and I am fanko to let some Majafla be gazetted.
My whole video be on social media. Every had the main chipping in a minisab. I branch media minimum so you and but I'm funny the man say, Ubiani baby, and sign the granny free, or see a friend and a copia. Like I say, a seminar at Yami, a share my ready, and I say, at Chaka.
Well, what
I say? It's really someone. Charming at the MI, so fast as Dormaahene, and then the Kumasi High Court case, no, a concern. Or Kasa, no, I have no Kasa because as I it can be used against you in the court of law. Should I argue, Mamma, or comment section? What is your view on that? I Penyah Block Media.